In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook emails. If you need to save an email from Outlook so you can keep a copy, share it, or store it for your records, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Outlook and go to the email you want to export. Make sure you select the exact message you want to save before moving on. This is important because the download option applies to the email you currently have open. Once you click into it, the full message should appear on your screen so you can review it and confirm it's the correct one. After you have the email open, look toward the top area of the message window for the three-dot menu. This menu is sometimes used for additional actions that are not shown right away on the main toolbar. Click on those three dots to open the list of extra options. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the top right area of the email, since the layout can vary slightly depending on the version of Outlook you're using. When the menu opens, find the download option and click on it. This will export the email and save a copy to your device. In most cases, the file will go directly to your default downloads folder unless your browser or system asks you where you want to save it. If that happens, simply choose a location that is easy to remember so you can find the file later without any trouble. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to open your downloads folder and confirm that the file has been saved successfully. This quick check can save time, especially if you plan to attach the exported email somewhere else, upload it, or keep it as part of your documentation. That's all it takes to export an Outlook email. Just open the mail, click the three dots, and select Download. It's a short process, but it can be very useful when you need an offline copy of an important message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.